dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see this cable or accessory is not certified and may not work reliable on your iPhone. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, if you have another charging port, so just try to connect to your iPhone another charging port. So another charging cable to your port. And another way you can also try, just clean your charging port here. So just clean it. Because sometimes it can also be damaged by different things. So just clean. And if you still have this issue, so just try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general and just open here software update and just download and install the latest software on your iPhone. Or the latest way you can try is just made force restart on your iPhone. So just it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model, you can also find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So just tap on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button. So again, high volume button, low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding and just release your finger. So now we need to see Apple logo, so it means that we successfully made force restart. So here you can see that we successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.